Many people want to start digital marketing, but they don't know where to begin. So in this video, I am giving a simple roadmap to start digital marketing in 2026. First of all, I want to introduce what is digital marketing. Digital marketing main motive promote our service and product online. Most people use Google, social media marketing, email marketing to get the customer. So digital marketing at this time very demanding skills. With the help of digital marketing, we can grow online and we can get more customer and do work, start more earning. So I will show you a simple roadmap how to start digital marketing. So please listen me carefully and it's a very helpful video for you. Firstly, you can see I have created a docs. So if you want to start digital marketing, so you have need to learn basic, choose one skill, learn and practice, build portfolio, get first clients, learn AI tools, build personal brand and scale career agency. Firstly, I describe to learn basic SEO. SEO help website rank higher on Google and bring organic traffic without paying for ads. And next, social media marketing. Social media marketing help business connect with their audience and grow their brands on platform like Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. Third one, and Google Ads. Google Ads allow businesses to reach potential customer quickly through paid advertisement. Next one, email marketing. Email marketing help business build relationship with customer and increase sales through target campaigns. Next one, content marketing. Content marketing focus on creating valuable content that attracts, engage and converts potential customers. At this time, you have need to choose one skills like as SEO, social media marketing. If you want to start digital marketing, so you have need to choose a one skill. Don't choose all skills because it's very hard to learn about it. So my recommend SEO, a great long-term skills with high demand and excellent career opportunity. And next, you can choose social media marketing, perfect for people we enjoy creating content and building online community. And next, a very important, content marketing. Quality content in the foundation of digital marketing and SEO. Content is the main part of the digital marketing to rank and grow the business. And you can choose a one skills in this list. If you select one skills and learn very carefully, so you can grow our brand and you can rank the websites, you can promote our business. But if you learn all skills in one time, so it's a bad news to you. You have need to learn first skills and then expert, then you can go next skills. You have need to create a schedule about it. In the next part, learn and practice. If you want to learn digital marketing, YouTube one of the best free platform to learn digital marketing from industry expert. Next one, blogs. Reading blogs help you stay updated with the latest trend and strategy. Free courses platform like Google and HubSpot over free certification and training. And next one, ChatGPT. AI tool can help with research, content creation and learning faster. Next one, you can go on build portfolio. Before portfolio, you know about the portfolio. Portfolio like all work done in one sheets in one docs. So it's called portfolio. Build portfolio, you can create this type. First of all, case study. Case study show the work you have complete and the result you achieved. Next one, ranking. Play keyword ranking improvement and SEO success story. Next one, traffic results. Demonstrate how to increase website traffic. Social media growth. Show audience growth, engagement and content preference. Next one, website project. Include website you have designed, optimization or managed. And next one, you learned basic. You selected the one skills. You learn about it. And then you can go on next step, get clients. It's a very important step. Get clients. LinkedIn like as this websites. Connect with business owners and professional looking for marketing services. Next one is Upwork, a popular freelancing platform finding digital marketing projects. Fiverr, you can go on Fiverr, a great platform to showcase your service and attach clients. Next one, cold emails. Reach out to potential clients with personalized emails. And next one, a Facebook group. You join business community and build valuable connections. Happy client can help you get more clients through recommendation. If you want to get a client, you have need to choose 1 to 2 platform and then you can get the more clients. My suggestion, you can use Upwork and Fiverr and LinkedIn. Only these 3 platform in start. Then you can use other platform in the describe. Okay. Learn AI tools. If you want to proper expert in digital marketing, so you have need to learn the AI tools. ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Useful for content creation, research and productivity. Gemini helps you with research, brainstorming and information gathering. Clouds, excellent for detailed writing and content analysis. Perplexity, a powerful AI search tool for quick and accurate results. If you already learned everything, so you have need to build a personal brand. You can go on YouTube, share your knowledge and establish yourself as industry expert. And you can go on LinkedIn, build professional credibility and connect with decision makers. And go for Instagram, create and short form content and increase brand awareness. And a very important, Twitter, share in inside industry news and network with professionalism. If you want to scale your career, so you can offer freelancing, offer your skills directly to client and work independently. Agency, build a team and manage multiple clients at the same time. International clients, expand your service globally and increase earning potential. Website flipping, it's a very important. Build, grow and sell website for profit. It's a very important business, and in this business more people earning more money. And next one, a brand building. Create and scale your own online brand. Consulting, use your expertise to help business achieve better results. So digital marketing is one of the most valuable skills in today's digital world. Learn the basics, choose one skill, practical, consistent, build your portfolio, get clients, use AI tool and build your personal brand. Follow this roadmap, stay consistent, and you can create a successful career or business in digital marketing. And I will give you this roadmap links in the description. You can learn everything and you can save this docs in yourself in lifetimes, and it's very helpful for you.